Hey traders, quick update on Zebec network. It's up a massive 25% in the last 24 hours, now trading around $0.0028. And here's the interesting part. Trading volume is also up 29%, which means real momentum could be building. So, is this the start of a bullish run, or just a trap? If the volume stays strong and price holds support, we could see more upside, but if momentum drops, this might just be a short-term pump. Keep an eye on Bitcoin too, because the overall market still leads the direction. Stay smart, don't chase. Wait for confirmation. What do you think? Breakout or a fake pump? Zebec network fresh trading signals are in, and solid targets just dropped. We've got clear entry and exit zones lined up to help you catch the move. Want the full setup? Check out our Patreon, link is in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.